Public Works Department Minister and senior Congress leader Satish Jarkiholi is likely to become the next Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee President, according to party sources. Sources said AICC General Secretary K.C. Venugopal spoke to Jarkiholi on Thursday and proposed that he take charge of the party's state organization. While confirming that discussions had taken place, Jarkiholi said Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar had been informed and expected to hold further discussions in New Delhi before a final decision is made. Jarkiholi, a three-time MLA representing the Yamakana Maradi Assembly constituency in Belagavi district, is also believed to have sought to continue as PWD Minister or be given another key portfolio in addition to the KPCC President's post. Sources said he conveyed to the High Command that holding only the party President's position without administrative responsibility may not be politically effective. Congress leaders reportedly believe that Jarkiholi's mass appeal and organizational abilities can help strengthen the party ahead of the 2028 Karnataka Assembly elections, particularly in the Kittur Karnataka and Kalyana Karnataka regions, where both he and Siddaramaiah enjoy considerable support. Meanwhile, Jarkiholi has indicated that Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar is likely to become the next Chief Minister of Karnataka. He said the High Command had already finalized the matter in accordance with an earlier agreement and suggested that the leadership transition could take place soon. The Congress High Command is now expected to take a final decision on the KPCC presidency, ministerial portfolios, and the future leadership of the Karnataka government. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.